say
What?
Oh shit.
You guys ready? It's game day, baby.
It's game day, you know? The big game's on tomorrow, and we're gonna make chicken wings. They're not gonna be your average buffalo wings like you would get at a sports bar. We're gonna put our own little spin on it. What are we gonna do?
So it's February now. This one brings me back to the sunny days back in summer. We usually take this recipe down to the beach, throw over a little grill, a little bit of sun on our face.
Exactly, so maybe it'll brighten up your winter day, but you're gonna enjoy these for game day. So
awesome.
Let's get into this recipe.
So just got over 1 pound of chicken wings. Down, set, up! Into the bowl. Grated ginger. Garlic. Lime zest. Lime juice. Soy sauce. Ponzu. Hoisin. Fish sauce.
Oh yeah?
Teriyaki. Honey.
Don't call me honey. That's what makes them sticky.
Sambal. Sesame oil. Cilantro.
Why do you need gloves?
Alright, now we're gonna toss these wings up like the Bills are gonna toss up those Bucks.
Boom! We got these in a Ziploc bag. We're gonna marinate it for 3 hours till they're ready to hit the grill.
3 hours later.
Our wings are marinated. Time to take them outside the grill. Gonna oil up the grill here so nothing sticks. Get your grill ripping hot. These wings are gonna get all charred up and delicious. If you don't got a grill, feel free to bake them in the oven for 450 degrees, about 35 minutes. Or until they're nice and crispy. So we're throwing the wings on. Now they're on, shut the lid and let them cook. They're almost ready. They're getting that nice dark color we're looking for. All the caramelization on that honey. Yeah. Sticky, icky, icky. Our wings are just finishing up on the grill. I'm gonna make a quick glaze for them. Start with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a mixed squeeze of honey, just a little peppering of sambal. You already know. Splash of mirin. Gonna put this on the stove for about a minute or till it thickens up a bit, then toss our wings. Our glaze is thickened up. Gonna pour it over our wings. Finish out with a little black and white sesame seeds. A little tossy McToss. Time to hit the plate.
I just find out.
It's time to eat.
Alright, let's do this. I'm stoked for this.
It's time for the big game. Oh, Lee, how'd you do that? That's terrifying. Our sweet, sticky, little bit of heat on there.
See, when they're beautiful charred like this, it might look burnt, but that's perfect. It's exactly what you want.
All that caramelized sugar from the honey.
Wow.
Definitely give these ones a try. They're not like your typical buffalo wings, but if you're looking for something different, it'd be great for game day.
Wow, delicious. I got to devour these, bro. Alright? Alright, guys, thanks so much, Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe.
Yep, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.
Peace.